this is a view of the Thimphu city from handmade paper factory. So this structure, this is a handmade paper factory. So this is a factory. I'm gonna show you inside. And over here on the right, my right, this is a showroom. Well, I have asked the owner, but then he requested not to make a picture or not to shoot a video. So this is a processing area where they soak the bark of the daphne tree, then they steam cook over there. Okay, and then I'm walking inside the factory now. Okay, so you can see the woman walking over here. These are the processed, cooked, and then soaked and cooked daphne barks. So after segregating the finest fiber, they will put in this machine, grind it. With the help of this machine, they grind it, and then they store in this bucket. From this bucket, they put over there, and then that's how they make paper. So these are the fresh paper they make. So here's the process. So this bucket is filled with the paste from there. That's how they make paper. And after this, they bring under this pressure machine clamp to squeeze out the water, remaining water. From here, they transfer right here, and then to dry they use the steamer.
So eto paper or jontu fiber hoy, eto main paper. Eto pani to hukwai loy, boil kori pele hukwai, tapsot fiber to uliai, tapsot processing kore.
So this is the fine product now after drying on the steamer with the help of steamer. So otherwise, in olden days, still they use, but then in olden days when we don't have a machine to supplement the manpower, so we use this kind of net frame.
Paper, isn't it?
So we use this kind of net frame, and then to dry one paper on this net frame, they take 1.5
This is the final product of Bhutanese paper.
So the paper factory name is this one, Jungshi Handmade Paper Factory. So Jungshi is the name.